Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable developer mode on your PC or laptop. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Windows Developer Mode is a powerful tool for advanced user and IT administrator, particularly because it unlocks advanced features used in app development and debugging. However, leaving it accessible for an user is usually big, if not costly, oversight for any managed environment. So, what if you want to disable this feature from your PC or laptop? It's very simple. So first of all, you can go to your Start menu. You can go to Settings. From Settings, you can go to System. You can select on System. You can just scroll down until you find Advanced. You can just select on that. Now you can just scroll down. For Developer section, you'll find Developer Mode. So you can just disable this feature by turn off this toggle like this. So now you have turned off the Developer Mode on your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? And anytime if you want to turn on this feature again, you can just go to the same thing. You can go to System, Settings, System, Advanced, and you can enable the toggle on the developer mode. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable developer mode on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!